place was. You can see, if you have a very sharp eye, where the road is. We are passing by it right now. That is exactly 70 meters. So that's how tall the wave was that flooded both Kjenndal and Bøna. There's a brick wall kind of bordering the roads. So that's the point where the tallest of the wave was. On our right, we're passing by more summer houses, and these have no electricity. And they have been standing here since before 1956, especially the White House, which we can see in the clearing. Okay, some quick information before we disembark. I've learned that word today in English. Okay, so the bus one who were with me, we're going to the glacier first, so they have first rides to the toilets. Bus two, which were with my colleague Olav, they're going to have the waffle buffet first. So after bus one is finished with the toilets, then we can meet outside where there will be a bright bus waiting for us, and then we're going to be there for about 20 minutes, and then we come back down, and then the second group will be at the glacier, and then my group will be eating waffles. The reasoning behind